welcome back to another video. And today I'll be showing you how you can fix the Spotify mod app. I know a lot of people have been having problems, and sometimes the episodes are not showing up for any podcasts, and some other problems too. So Spotify tried to change the modded API changes so that people don't actually get everything for free, but there's also a way around, and this is working right now 100%. So follow these simple steps, and I'm sure Spotify will work for you as it did before the full modded version. Okay, so first thing you want to go to is go to your Google Chrome. You want to write in X Manager Spotify APK. Once you have that, write it. The first link, it'll be the first link. It's the official website, xmanagerapp.com. Click that. Okay, and once you have that, just simply press the download button. All right, and I already downloaded that file before, so I'm just gonna download it again to show you guys the exact process. All right, once the file is downloaded, you should press open, click install. All right, so once it opens up, it's gonna be a pop-up. It's you're gonna say install anyway, and just gonna ask for my fingerprint. All right, now once it's installed, press done, and you have to go to your home page, and then you have to go to your Play Store, and this is where you are going to install the official Spotify app. So you write Spotify, not any modded version. You have to install the official app first. All right, to install that, because the X Manager will basically patch the original version, and then it'll enable everything. So once you have that installed, you go to the X Manager right there. Open it up. I'm just gonna say don't allow. All right, so it's gonna take some time to check everything, see everything is going. You're gonna do store permission, say allow, and then allow permission. Okay, as you can see, there's a few versions here: stock patched, AMOLED patched, light patched. And I installed the original one, so it's telling me that I installed the 9.0.18.604. So what happens? So once you're in the X Manager, all you have to do is go to the AMOLED patch. There's a lot of versions, and just press the latest release, and it'll tell you to download it. Just download it, and it'll say like reward in a few seconds. If it's for the first time, then it'll be like 50 seconds. So you have to. Alright, so now I'll say reward granted. So you exit out of this, and now the patch is installed. So all you have to do is go back and go to your Spotify, the original Spotify you installed, and you can just go on any. I'm gonna just write GRE. See, as you can see, all the episodes are already showing up. Now time to test the ads, if any ads are showing up or not.
Allergy for 10 years. It was so bad. I go up.
There you go, guys. I'm skipping without any issues. Look at that. So, and we can also do a quick music test just to make sure. I'll just skip the volume on that. Do music. Yeah. All right, there you go. You can skip as many times as you want. There you go, guys. It's that easy. A way around to fix the Spotify mod. If you did like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and get updated with all the latest techs. Until the next one.